Sir, have you ever practiced before? No, never. Так,
It's a
коноктун.
nice thing what you will do.
Yeah.
It's no?
Sour? Okay, go ahead. Так, Индиядан келген қонағыз өзіне деген бұлар ачу тамақ жасайды екен.
Yes.
Use this?
No, with the fingers.
hand.
With hands.
Oh, nice.
Индиядан келген қонағыз аю ачу пиццасын деп аю әрекет қылып жатқан. Бүгін тілегеніне жетіп жасап жатады.
He was
Tak.
doing that way. He was correct to that way. He was spreading it that way.
Yeah, that's right.
Correct that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're expert man.
He's very talented man.
He is.
We are happy because he have a very good husband.
Or do you have to still?
Yeah, that's right. Sir, what do you feel?
Nice.
Nice?
I feel like a cook now. I can open a restaurant.
Yeah.
Pizza.
When you go back to Dubai, you can open your own business.
Own restaurant, huh?
Yeah.
Only
I hope you like my
look at me. This it. Press. This it. Move.
stuff. Ah, nice.
He'll show you how to. See, he's spreading it. You can see.
Almost there.
Так, инес қонағыз көріп, аялдары, бала чақасы аябай сүйін асқан уағы.
Good?
Yes.